Well, this is it. We're packing up the apartment, and that's insane. I like, last night was my going away party, got to hang out with family and friends and do that whole thing, and it feels way too real now. So I've got all my boxes, and it's time. Fuck. So I'm sitting in my empty apartment, well, soon to be empty, enjoying my last nitro from Blue Sparrow, my last almond croissant from Blue Sparrow, and trying not to cry, because I cried most of the day yesterday. So, this is ridiculous. And the thing I want to highlight is, like, this is really hard and this is really scary, and no part of me is like, oh, I can't do this. Oh, geez, it's, whatever. It's just an acknowledgement that my life here has been so full, and I have every right and every reason to be really sad about moving on and going on this adventure. And just letting myself feel that, and also knowing it's still the right thing for me to do. So yeah. That's all I've got for this morning. I'm not nearly caffeinated yet to talk about anything else without crying. Peace. Well, here I sit in my car full of stuff for, it's all my clothes and stuff I still need to go through to decide if I'm going to bring it with me or not, or whatever. Got my cashier's check to go break the lease of my apartment, and holy fuck. Yeah. It's a good thing I'm not monetized yet, because there's a lot of swearing in this video, and YouTube is not going to like that. But you guys might. Well, I just said my see you laters to my best friend. I gave him, he's watching my espresso machine for me, which is the highest honor I could bestow upon somebody, I think. I love you, man, since you're one of the people I know is gonna watch this. But yeah, standing in this nearly completely empty apartment with him. He helped me move in here, and this is insane. This is so, I can't even begin to describe to you how surreal this feels. Yeah, so today is the day of bestowing, like, I'm giving my plants to watch to somebody else to watch, gave him the espresso machine. I'm saying my goodbyes. Well, my see you laters, my matinees. I'm getting dinner with my family, and then it starts tomorrow. Yeah. I'm done packing, sort of, I guess. I'm not sleeping in that apartment anymore. It's been a really good place to live. I'm gonna miss it a lot. I'm gonna miss it a lot.